That's good. I would like you to stop on the right side of the road for me, please. Let's reverse back to length of the car gap, please. If you see someone, what should we do? Stop, yeah. Driving on their side of the road, we need to stop. Stop. Gap, you go. If you see them again, closer, stop one more time. Just in this parking, where my more focus should be, because I'm parked on the wrong side of the road.
On the payment and the cars coming.
Okay, that's payment. What we're looking in the payment in the.
If the car is touching, yeah.
Okay, so where would be the driveways now?
On the left side.
But if we parked on the right, so where would be the driveways now?
On the right.
On the right side. So are we should be more aware of the driveways as well then?
Yeah.
So what should we do in that situation then?
Don't park in front of driveways.
No, but when you're reversing.
You have to look if a car is coming or not.
Okay. And our car's heading which way?
On the side of the road.
On the back is
back
that?
side, yeah.
We're reversing.
Yeah.
So where my more focus would be when you're reversing.
Back.
Yeah. So how many times did we look back and look on the driveways? Because we more focus was on the mirrors. Because the reason was you looking more focus on the mirror because you ended up too close when you stopped there anyway.
Yeah.
So you should have at least 8 inches gap there.
Sure.
Good 8 to 10 inch gap.
Yeah.
Because I know that I will be reversing. So while reversing, I'm looking back, and maybe when I'm looking back, my steering slightly turns somewhere, left or right. So that gap will save me. If I'm too close and I'm reversing, then that will be a problem because I'm too much concentrated on that little mirror to make sure that I've not touched the curb. By then, my eyes off the road to see what's happening around me, and that can be a problem straight away. So when you stop, that drain hole cover there, you can see opposite the lamppost there. So at least that much gap, 8 to 10 inches. And from there, if I reverse back from there, I'm okay. I know I'm far away from the curb anyway. So my concentration is on the driveways now. Just one look, driveway, stop the car, scan the road twice. You have to scan the road 2 times, whole road, and then keep an eye on the big mirror as well. Okay, let's go back to your side of the road now, please.